Hey everyone, welcome back to the Green Farm channel. It's Claudette and I'm here to show you how to make this little cute favor box. It's really simple and fun to give. I went ahead and used Ian from the Big Kit Aloha set, and I will be using that for this project. I have some of the images right here, and this is the kit. Unfortunately, this is a big kit, which means it was on pre-order, or sometimes it does go back into the store during farmers market, and if enough of you guys request for it, it will come back, but it has to be enough people to request for this stamp set. This is one of my favorite stamp set. So yeah, I wanted to use it because where I live, it's pretty much summer all year round, or 75% of the time it's summer. So I thought I'd make it. I like to give these away, especially if I have like a little backyard barbecue or luau. I like to have these on hand. So I wanted to share with you how I created this little treat box. It's really simple. Like I said, you'll just need 2 pieces of paper. You can go ahead and use cardstock for both of these. This is actually a digital paper. I have to look at where I got this from, but you can use any pattern paper, or you can use regular cardstock and then just layer your paper onto the actual box. Cut and glue your paper onto the actual box. But I decided for purposes of this video that I wanted it to just be a super fast tutorial. So okay, I have my plain cardstock. Before I go on, all the dimensions and score lines, everything will be in the description box down below. So if you miss what I say, it will be down in the description box down below. Okay, so we're going to score this, the base. This is going to be the base of my box. So it's going to be this black one. And we're going to score it at, before I go on, this is an 8x6 size cardstock. So 8x6. And then we're going to score, this is a really easy box. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I like simple and quick. So all you're going to do is score at 2 inches all the way around. Okay. Super easy project. Okay, before I put my scoreboard away, let's go ahead and score the lid of the box. And this is 4x6. So 4x6, and then you score this at 1 inch all the way around. Okay, so let's put this away. Now we are going to burnish the score lines. Okay, before I want to work on the base real quick, so let's go ahead and do the same for the base of the box. Okay, so once we burnish it, we want to cut all the 4 corners to fold it into a box. So I like to miter, and I highly recommend you miter the flaps. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue the corners. So we want to fold it like this to create the bottom of the box. Okay, let's put that to the side to dry. And then we're going to do the exact same thing to the lid. Okay, so I want to suggest when you glue the lid together to go ahead and put it on the box. I find that sometimes when I do it, I really secure it to where I can't put the lid on top of the box. So I find that when you do it this way, so I could already see that it's a little too tight if I glue at the edge like that. So I'm going to put it on my box and glue it that way so that I know that I'm not making it too tight, and I can lift it off and on. So let's go ahead and do that. And it might be actually easier because you have a base to press down on. So you don't want to get it, I don't know if you could see that. Sorry. If you can see that it's not all the way, well, this one's very obvious, to the edge. And then the same thing on the other side. So that would this would prevent it from being too tight. And see, I think I actually made it just a little too tight. But oh yeah, I did. So let's do this like that and like that. So I'm not really all the way at the edge. Now you can measure a little larger or score it less than an inch all the way around to get that. I've tried several ways, but when I did this it was 1 inch and it worked. But that's what you do if you find that it's too snug and you can't pull it out, or it bows, the box bows when you put it in. So it's doing it a little bit, but for the most part it can fit. Okay, so now you just want to add your little image. Let's do it this side, and I want to just, for purposes of this video, I went ahead, stamped, and then made a little banner. And this could be a cute thank you to, you know, someone, or a favor goodie for your party. And you could write, you know, stamp in a thank you little note like this. So I'm going to go ahead and use my foam sheet. I cut it up, and I always get questions about this a lot. I get this at either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I'm not really sure where I got it, but I probably got some from Hobby Lobby and then some from Michael's. You probably could get it at Joann's as well, or even Amazon. But this one is one side adhesive, has adhesive on one side, and then I just go ahead and glue on the other side. I find that some pop dots are super high and I don't like it that high, so these foam sheets work perfectly well, and they come in all kinds of color. So that's how I want my box to be. And let's go ahead and glue this. As I said earlier, this is a really simple box, and so I like to put something a little heavy. I'm just going to put a stamp on there, and then I'm just going to glue the middle of that, and then glue that on, and then there you have it. I'm probably going to put the stamp block back on so that it glues down well. But yeah, this is my super simple, fun and easy, well, hence simple, favor box that you can make all year round. It doesn't have to be for a luau. You could use any of the Greeting Farm images. I just really, really love this stamp kit. This is perfect for your luau's, your summer parties. Yeah, super easy, and I hope this tutorial was easy to follow, and something that you will create. If you do create it, please let us know in the comments down below and tag us on Instagram or our Facebook fan page. We'd love to see if you create this project. Yeah. So anyways, thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.